雪花飘飘，北风萧萧，天地一片苍茫。
Hello guys, welcome to episode 3. Okay, I haven't shown you the topics now.
I am the guest today. I am the main host today.
Kedar will be the host. You will host episode 1.
No, episode 1 was bad.
I don't
I
care.
act
It was
professional
bad
today.
because of you, bro.
Okay, bro.
Okay, so
Definitely.
I'll start with the intro and then Kedar will talk because he didn't do anything about the topic.
Sai, where are you going?
The episode is titled The Interval. We will basically go over what we did before our boards, 10th board started, and then what we did after the boards ended, because we had almost a 2.5 months gap between our 11th class and our last exam.
Yeah,
boards.
what are you doing?
So you may begin now, Kedar.
This is your declamation, baby. You must talk.
Okay, it's me first, then you all, bro.
It's opinionated,
So, talking about
depends on one main host, and then other people will just agree on whatever the main host says.
I'll be the main host.
will you get IIT Bombay by doing this podcast, bro?
Yeah.
Go fuck off, bro.
No swearing, no swearing.
We'll cut that out. We'll cut that out today.
Okay, bro. Anyways, Saish is kicked out of the podcast now. He's not. He's gonna be on the second dustbin.
Gay podcast.
Yeah, re.
You're demoted to the second dustbin now.
Description, bro. He'll be in description.
Only
So-
3 people remain on the main dustbin.
Talking about boards. Boards was overhyped. CBSE at least. I don't know about Karthik.
Okay, bro, Mr.
We'll come to ICSE later.
CBSE boards was very overhyped by the teachers. It's like they were saying, wow, it'll be so hard. You need to prepare 3 months in advance. I didn't do anything 3 months in advance. I was sleeping peacefully. I only prepared during the first holiday weeks of the exams.
Played Minecraft during my Hindi boards, bro.
Valorant before Hindi boards was the peak enjoyment.
I was playing Roblox horror games. I was playing
And,
Roblox horror games all the entire
We have
time.
5 more minutes, bro.
It was fun.
We'll keep this episode short because Karthik showed us a very unfunny video of a guy dying. No one laughed, but he thought it was funny.
We all thought it was funny, bro.
He wasted like 3 minutes of our time.
It was brain rot, basically.
Yeah.
Hey, Abhiram, shut up, bro.
And also, my charging is very, very low.
Harsha, let's get Harsha in here.
Harsha is surprise.
Harsha on the third
Third
dustbin.
dustbin.
Surprise guest.
Give your introduction.
Hi, I am Harsha.
He was basically
He
our
eats sambar
foundation.
every day. He drinks sambar.
Yeah, he's from Tamil Nadu. He eats sambar.
It's very irrelevant, I'm being honest.
I don't keep his sambar.
Yes.
Okay,
But he has a good physique. He's handsome.
he's a very good study person. He studies good.
And plays Minecraft with us. He likes big.
Oh, okay, guys. He Saish will mention Saish now in the comments. Not even the third dustbin.
Okay, bye. So, coming to before boards, personally for me, I grinded. I won't lie, I grinded. I still got very mediocre marks.
He got 2% more than me.
issue, bro.
I
Skill
slept during preparation. He got 2%
I got like
more.
4% more than you.
2%, bro.
His self-proclaimed percentage is 6% more than me.
Self-proclaimed.
I grinded for
Hey,
3 months
irrelevant
before
boards. No one cares about the irrelevant board.
Stop saying that, man. He just because he's on the second dustbin does not mean his opinion does not.
I grinded for 3 months. I only got 83%.
Huh?
83%.
Cambridge board, bro.
Are you like slow or something? What is it?
Okay.
What about you?
Let's come to
Karthik?
ICSE. ICSE has the most grade inflation in any board.
Bro, he's coping.
Let me speak.
He's coping at
Let
this
me
point.
speak.
Bro.
Let me
He's
speak.
coping at this point.
Basically, unlike in CBSE, we have one science paper. They have 3 science papers. And then the science marks is average of those 3. And if you get like 0.5 marks, you just get the next marks of that as an approximation. Like if you get 97.5 average of the 3 subjects, you get 98 marks.
How else does it work, bro?
So that's like 0.5 inflation.
So 0.75.
Or whatever, no, it's 0.5. And then the averages. So they could also be this thing where like you get 97.5 in biology, that becomes 98. You get 95.5 in what is that?
No, they don't give
some
0.5
other.
like that. They give 0.5 in the average. If it's 0.5, then they will give it. They won't give it in that market. There's no 0.5
Okay,
in our
makes sense.
things.
What is-
Yeah, then they everyone will
crazy,
get marks.
crazy grade inflation.
What is the use of such?
But in the end, the boards did not matter.
Maybe because we have like 10 subjects, bro.
After
That's why,
boards,
Why is
After both,
English
yeah.
so hard in ICSE when at the end of the day the ICSE graduate just becomes Pani Puri wala?
okay, Abhiram.
Okay, Abhiram.
Your ideas are very creative. I can't comprehend them yet.
No, the guy who got 83% in Cambridge will become
He'll sell Pani Puri in English.
He'll sell Pani Puri in English.
Why is ICSE so hard English actually?
Let's forget about
What's
boards
the
now.
reason?
Boards are not
After-
made.
after
Yeah,
boards.
skip
Hey,
boards. After
coming to
boards,
the
yes.
next topic.
I started
Karthik will
playing-
now. Karthik
yes.
will now take the lead. He'll continue from during boards because that's when CBSE holidays began. His
Okay, so
holidays
I had
started
like-
1 week later.
2 exams left. No one cares about them. Then holidays started. Holidays were the best part, being honest. I started playing Valorant with Kedar. I carried him, bro. Full matches every day. Carry.
There was a device diff, bro. Like you had a better
I
computer.
started playing the game in summer holidays. I hit a rank higher than which he's been playing for the past, I don't know, 3 years or what, bro.
Nah, bro. I stopped playing.
You were silver. You were playing for 2 years.
I stopped playing.
I hit gold in 2 months, bro.
Stop, bro.
It's like a
You-
skill issue.
You're acting like you didn't play earlier too.
No, I was iron 1.
Okay.
Zero RR.
Anyways, apart from Valorant, we did so much other stuff.
I went to
stuff like
Wonderla. It
We
was
did
very fun.
Minecraft. We did Minecraft.
Hey,
I went to
did
Wonderla
you do anything
too.
outside your PC?
I did, but Minecraft is more important.
No, I went to Wonderla. It was very fun.
Wonderla was very fun.
For 1 day, bro. We played on the server for like an entire month.
Okay, you're just scoping the fact no one went to Wonderla with you.
Some touching grass during some. Tell me about it.
We slept
Okay,
lots.
sorry, I did not go to Wonderla. I did not want to take a bath in piss water.
You know, there's other stuff, right?
Maybe there's another reason.
I know, I'm pretty sure piss water.
Tell me about your experience of touching grass during summer holidays. Outside of these games, what
I
did you
learned
do?
driving. It's very cool.
What
My dad
did you
taught-
drive?
Car or
Car,
bike?
car.
Which car?
Bike is
Auto?
cringe. Bike is cringe. I don't care about
Bike is
company.
cringe.
Bike is cringe.
Which car?
When bro has only a bike to transport his dad to hospital.
Which car, bro?
Abhiram, what did you do in your board holidays?
Steering wheel wala car.
Manual. What did you do in your board holidays?
Board holidays. I studied.
After boards, bro.
I mean after boats.
What is wrong with you, bro?
I did nothing actually.
Did you like not go out with your friends?
I had no friends.
Bro. Okay.
I ate, I slept, I watched TV, I played games,
I watched a whole of Bleach
I studied.
and Black Clover.
Oh, I went to swimming every day actually.
I started watching rom-coms. It's like 40 or 50 I watched, bro. I was playing Valorant. There's a rom-com running in the background.
While he was switching between tabs each round.
I started working out too until my parents threw my weights out.
Huh? They threw your weights.
Why,
up,
bro?
tell, man. Okay,
According
what's
to
it?
my parents, I should not work out.
We have 5 more. Let's give a shout out to all the Grove Street members, which is the Minecraft assembly, because this guy does not care about it, but the Minecraft bros were the real bros.
Minecraft was fun.
Yes.
The time is up.
Okay. The time is up.
Time is up. Very short podcast
We'll
about
be
whatever.
meeting everyone tomorrow with new topics.
Bro, they drained my battery to like 5%.
No one cares, bro. No one's talking to you.
No. Bye.
Bye bye.
Karthik is irrelevant.
Shut up, bro.